good day to you all. A new episode of All Money and No Skills. Let's get started.
Nicole, get some water, quick! Well done. Wow.
Damn, this is the most expensive marshmallow in the world. Officer Dan at the scene, catching the culprit red-handed.
Blurred on him, pulled up on him. You got lucky, he got lucky, he got fucked.
Foi montada a pedido do atual ministro da Saúde, Marcelo Queiroga. Só agora eles estão desenvolvendo um protocolo de tratamento hospitalar para Covid. Então, antes a gente...
Oh my God. You're bugging. No, you should not have that car. You should not have that car. You don't got it.
Remember, kids, money can't buy you common sense or skills.
Yo, go home. Yo, bring your dad home, bro. Baixou. Yeah. Broca.
Wer ruft schon an? Ja. Ja, die wissen das doch, dass es bei so einem Wetter scheiße ist. Da kommt der nächste. Oh! Alter. Oh, ich habe auch alles drauf. Oh, bisschen eher gemein, ne? Scheiße.
Damn, the Nürburgring is turning into a graveyard.
Oh, ist ja noch schlimmer.
Grand Theft Auto, let's go for the joyride. That was short and unsatisfying. I want my money back. I don't know who you are, but if you don't press that subscribe button, I will find you and gently persuade you to do so.